It's time to get rid of this thing. Because I got one of these, and you know what it doesn't have? One of these. This is a Shark Messmaster. It's got a great wet dry debris bin that you simply dump out when you're done. It comes with a ton of great attachments. You're gonna get a wet mess tool with a squeegee on the bottom for the wet messes, a crevice tool for those hard to reach places, a great bare floor tool with the swiveling head for your floor messes, and finally 3 great hose extensions to save your back. It's super lightweight, compact, and portable, but it still packs all the same power of that other vac, just in a much smaller footprint. And best of all, they're running such a great deal on these right now, I decided to grab 2. One for me and one to give to my dad as a gift. These are going extremely fast. They will not last long at this sale price. If you want to pick one up, I'd do it quickly and I'll put a link right there.